Hello guys, in this After Effects tutorials, I want to show you how you can create a nameplate letter reveal effect like this. So stick around, let's get started. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to mask a moving spot and then track the mask. Then we're also going to learn how to do content aware fill by taking out some part and filling it with other part automatically. And then finally, we're going to learn how to do the letter reveal effect. So now in Adobe After Effects, I already have my footage imported. So I'm going to drag and drop this footage right into the composition icon below the project manager window. By the way, I got this footage from pexels.com. So you can check them out there to download whatever one you want to use. So the next thing we're going to do now is to pick the mask tool and then mask this letter 17. That is what we're going to do the animation on. So we're going to pull in and then mask it out. So we're going to hit MM to reveal the masking option. So we're going to make this mask a subtraction. So we'll subtract that. Then we're going to go to the mask feather and set that to 15. So the next thing we're going to do now is to track this mask forward, because if you play this forward, that is not going to follow the movement of the players or the number on the JC of the players. You see that it is really going up. So what we're going to do now is to right click on the mask right here, right click and then select the track mask. So that is going to open a tracking panel right below here. By the way, if you have used this effect before, so once you select, you mask, this panel is going to be there and you can use it directly to track your mask. So now we're going to select this to be position, scale and rotation. So what we're going to do is just hit the play button right here to track forward. So now if you scrub through the timeline, you see that the mask is now sticking to the movement of the number on the JC. So the next thing we're going to do now is to do the content aware fill. So we're going to go to the window up right here and make sure we bring up the panel content aware fill, which is it here. So it is going to pop up right below here. So every option here, we're going to leave it as default and then click generate fill layer. Now the content aware fill has generated a new layer right here stacked on top of this original layer. You can see it has filled up this very perfectly. Sometimes you may have problem with this. You can use this option right here to create a reference layer. Then it is going to take you to Photoshop where you can blend things up. But this has done a perfect job for now. So what I'm going to do now is to select this bottom footage layer. I'm going to Control D on my keyboard to duplicate that. So I'm going to move the duplicate right on top of the generated fill layer. So I'm going to hit M to reveal the mask option. Then I'm going to set this to add. That way I will have the number back in. So now before I start animating this, because I want my animation to affect the letter directly, for some reasons you need to pre-compose this. So Control Shift C to do that. So we're going to name this the letter. So move all attribute to the new composition and then hit OK. So now let's start animating this one right here. Move your time indicator to 2 seconds forward in time. So now go to Effect and Preset. So we're going to move to the transition option right here below. So expand it to see more option. Then we're going to select the CC Light Wipe. So you can either double click on it or drag and drop it onto this particular one. So we're going to go to this and make some changes. At this point right here, we're going to set a keyframe for this. We're going to set a keyframe for the transition completion. So hit U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframe. So we're going to move this keyframe right here to 5 seconds forward in time. On the transition completion value, we're going to change it now to 100. So that has simply moved out the letter. So if you scrub through your timeline now, you're gonna have this. And voila, you have your nameplate letter reveal animation done in just 3 basic steps. So this is how you can create a nameplate letter reveal effect in Adobe After Effects. If you learned something new on this video, please hit the like button. That will enable the algorithm to suggest this to more people. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll reply to all questions as quick as I can. If you like the video, leaving a comment is all a support. So in whatever way you are able to support me, I highly appreciate you. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.